In this video, we're going to learn about HTML images. So HTML images are self-closing tags. That means that when you open the HTML tag img, you just close it with a greater than symbol. You don't have another tag that closes it. So when it comes to images attributes, we use src, which is source, and we use alt, which is an accessibility attribute. So for the people who use screen readers, so that would kind of describes the image if they cannot properly see it. So you can either link the image locally on your desktop or directory, or you can link it from unsplash.com or whatever free resource images you can find. And another thing to note is if you want to link it directly from your local laptop, sometimes you use // So // means you have to go back one step and then go find the images folder and then go find the water slide image, and then the image is .png. So this is how you would link images. Now let's see it in action. So I've already opened the HTML images folder here, so you guys can go ahead and download it. So this is the index.html. So let's open it. We have an image img folder, and then we also have an image here. It's called mockup modal. So let's link our image first here. So we write img and then tap. So this is the auto completion. So we have source attribute and alt attribute. So let's write the source attribute, which is, so as soon as you write mo, the Visual Studio Code kind of picks it up. So we just click on it, mockup-modal-select.png. And now let's describe the image. Let me collapse this. So UX wireframe. This is one of the wireframes I created. So when you press save, you see that this wireframe shows up. I created this wireframe before, so I just wanted you guys to see how you can add PNG images to your websites. So this is how you would add it. So let's add a link, and let's call it h1 and call it page 1. Save. And now, for example, let's see if we have a link. Let's just press A, and then we want to link locally to our laptop. So we don't have a page yet, so let's just write next page. So when we click on next page, nothing happens. So let's just try to create the link and create the folder. So what we do is we go to explore and open a new folder called pages. And then instead of us writing all of this, we can either Control-A, copy everything, and go to the pages and open a new file, call it design.html. Press enter, collapse, paste it, and now we have a design.html as well as, which is inside pages folder, and then we have an index.html. They're identical. So what we do is we go to our href, and now we have to link it to the other page. So how do we link it? We write pages, so it completes it for us, pages / design.html, and let's save. So when you click on this, it takes you to the other page. So let's go to our other page and write page 2 and press save. And then for this one, we need to add another image. So I have another image included. So we go img. You see nothing picks up. Why? Because we are in the pages folder and we need to go one step back and access img. So the way you would do it is you click here, and then as I mentioned before, .. That means go one step back, and then this is our recommendation. So we want img, and then we want my heart. No, we want mockup landing page. So let's click on that. So if we go to our browser, I've already opened all of this with live server, so that's why it gets automatically updated, and this is why I really like to use the live server extension. So you also have to, the way you link these images and you're going one step back, you have to do it with your CSS style sheets as well and your other images folder. So let's just do it right now, .. and let's press save. And when I click on next, you see it changes. But imagine if I don't add this and then press save, As soon as I remove this, you know, the style sheet, everything gets broken, the sizes and everything. So that's why it's really important to link your stuff. We'll learn about linking later as well. But remember, if you want to link your stuff, and if you are in the pages folder or any other folder and you have to go one step back to access other stuff, you use // and as soon as we press save, everything gets back to normal. Let's fix this link as well. So when we click on it, nothing happens. So we have to write previous page, and the way we go back again is // and then we want to go back to index.html and we press save. So we press previous page, we get this. We press next page, we get this. And this is your mini prototype of creating websites. I hope you guys are excited for next lectures, and hopefully by the end of this course you'll be able to build your fully functional websites and include your artworks.